Teresa Freed with Johnson County Government. It's our goal to stop the spread of COVID-19 in our community. We also want to make sure you have the latest information on our efforts. For data on how COVID-19 is impacting the county, visit our dashboard on jocogov.org.
As you know, there's been a lot of concern in the national media because a lot of people have been traveling over the holidays to spend time with family. We know that people have been doing this, and this increases the risk of another surge in cases, hospitalizations, and deaths. So what to do if you've just come back from Christmas, from Hanukkah, from another holiday, and you're coming back from being with family that you didn't live around before that. We would strongly encourage you to do just as we have said before, to spend a period of about 7 days in quarantine after coming back, if it's possible for you to do that, for 5 days at home, staying at home just in your bubble with the other people you live with, and then come and get tested on the 5th day. Then by the 8th day, if you've not developed symptoms and your test is negative, that you can go back into society, go back to work, go back as you were before. It is really important to pay attention to the fact that you could have picked up COVID and you may be asymptomatic and spreading it in the community as you return after that kind of an event. Please be aware of any symptoms that could develop. They may be fairly mild. Remember, it could just seem like a head cold, a little bit of diarrhea, a cough, or a little bit of shortness of breath or fever. If any of those things happen, please come to the health department or go to your local primary care provider, wherever you can get tested, and get tested because it's easier than it ever was before. There's more tests available than there ever were before. We strongly encourage you, if you're concerned after you came back from being with family at the holidays, please get tested, because that's how we're going to get this thing under control. The vaccine will take longer to have the effect that we want to see, getting the herd immunity that will knock out the virus transmission altogether. That's going to be many months down the road before that is able to help. Right now, we're at a critical point, as Dr. Fauci was saying just the last few days. We don't want to see a really bad surge upon the surge we've had already. That could totally overwhelm our hospitals, which are already working at a very stressed type of situation with a lot of staff out sick who need to care for people in hospitals. So please, please, if you've been traveling over the holiday, quarantine after coming back and get tested.
For more information about COVID-19 in Johnson County, visit jocogov.org/coronavirus. You can also subscribe to a daily e-newsletter with the latest data and precautions being taken in the county and state.